Okay, so
Let's take it.
gonna light candle. I'm not strong enough to do this yet, so let me just set this up. Right. Oh, I'm sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I'm in here recording. Flame. Okay, so I don't know if you saw that, but candle. Christmas candle's lit. You haven't seen this before, but the Christmas tree. Oh, what's that? 2 Christmas trees? What? No, just a moment. Yeah. Hoover! Change of plans. We have decided to demolish the bottle because we went down there. I chucked it in the air. Yeah. And guess what? Split. Look. Look. Watch this. Guys, he's playing football with a bottle. Oh, damn. He's coming back. Impossible. So, as you can see, squirts. See? What the? Stop. That's not meant to happen. No. Wait, leave it. Look. That bottle is just... That's not even living no more. No. Can't even do bottle flips with that. That's terrible. So I guess we're not going to be doing bottle flips, sorry. That concludes it for this video. If you liked it, like it, and leave a comment. Leave a comment of what you want us to do next, and yeah. So I will see you in the next video. And remember, guys, remember, stay a master. Hoo-ha!